One of the handy things about Blitzit Web is that you can access it from almost any device just by going to a web browser, whether it be Edge or Chrome or Safari, and searching for www.blitzitweb.com.au. But sometimes, if you're using particularly a Windows or Android device, you can actually install it straight to the device. I have here a Windows device, and I'm going to install it through Edge. You have a couple options. You can either go to the Microsoft Store and search for Blitzit Web, and we can see that it comes up. We have a listing in the store there, and we can install it through that. But I suggest actually going to Edge. If you go to Edge, it installs it a lot better. You get a bit more space, and it looks a little bit smoother. So let's close the store down and go straight to Edge. If we search for www.blitzitweb.com.au, and you can see that in Edge, near where the web address is, there's actually a little shortcut here that says App Available, Install Blitzit Web. If we install it, it means we don't have to go to Edge and go to the website every time. We can just treat it like a native application. So let's press that button and push Install. Give it a couple moments, and you can see there we are. We've got it already installed as its own application. We can close Edge down. We don't have to look up the website anymore. We have it as an application. We can do all these things. We can create a desktop icon or auto start when the device logs in. You can see that there's a lot of space here. There's no address bar or forward and back. It's actually quite nifty. And if we close that down, you can see we've got a desktop shortcut or even a taskbar here. Also, if you install it, there are some pretty cool little shortcuts. If you right-click the icon, it comes up with some shortcuts to manufacture or balance stock or create new orders, which I think is pretty cool. You can open it straight up, and there we have it. That's how you install Blitzit Web like a native application on a Windows device.